Hello everyone, welcome back to another video on my channel. If you are using WAZIPER tool, there was an update last night and since then the QR code has not been working. We have received the update and we will replace the server file so our QR will start working again. In this video, we will show you that our QR code is working. If your QR code is not working, you can contact us. If you are an existing client, get a free update of QR files. If you have not purchased from us, you can buy the updated server files from us at nominal cost.